Hello friends, we are Giantway, sanding machine manufacturer, sanding solution supplier. Today, we'd like to do an overview of our SGJ series calibrating sander. This machine is designed for calibrating and sanding for wooden panels, MDF, plywood, and other wooden parts. The machine is configured with two working units. The first working unit is a steel ruler, complete with tension system, oscillating system, safety system, and dust collecting system. The steel ruler diameter is 240 mm. We usually install grade 80 abrasive belt on this working unit, and this working unit is mainly for calibrating job. The second working unit is a combination head, outfitted a rubber ruler and a sanding platen, complete with tension system, safety system, and dust collecting system. The rubber ruler diameter is 210 mm. The sanding platen can be slid out or pushed in. This hand wheel is for adjusting the sanding platen up or down. We usually install grade 180 abrasive belt on this working unit, and this working unit is mainly for sanding job. In front and after every working unit is the press system, outfitted double press rulers. The press ruler diameter is 70 mm. The press system is for holding the working pieces on the conveyor belt when sanding. Behind the machine, you can see the cleaning system. There is a cleaning brush inside this cover. Its function is for cleaning the panels after sanding. Here you can see the feeding bevel gearbox and feeding motor. The feeding motor is inverter feeding motor. There is a control panel in front of the machine. You can turn on or off every working unit through these buttons. And this knob is for adjusting the feeding speed. This is the power switch, and this is the emergency stop button. These two buttons is for adjusting the working table go up or down. This is a thickness controller. You can set up the desired working thickness through this meter. Now I'm going to do the demo for you with these common solid wood panels. For your watch. If you have any questions about the sanding machine, please contact Giantway directly.